Bonjour, friends! Today we're going to dive into the world of French cuisine and cook one of its most famous dishes, French onion soup. You will be surprised how easy it is to recreate this exquisite taste in your kitchen. This dish has been famous since the 16th century. This classic French soup was served as a nighttime snack to those who worked at night. This tradition began at the Les Halles open market in Paris, where night porters stopped for a break to eat this soup. So, the ingredients. To make this soup, we need simple ingredients that can be found in almost every home. These are onions, beef broth, white wine, butter, breadcrumbs, and grated cheese. We will also add some spices to emphasize the taste of this dish. The cooking process. Let's start by cutting the onion into thin rings. Fry it in butter until golden brown to make it soft and sweet. Then add white wine, which will give the soup a pleasant flavor, and beef broth. Let the mixture simmer for a while to combine all the flavors. Finish cooking. Before serving, sprinkle the soup with grated cheese and add a few breadcrumbs. They will give the dish additional texture and make it even more satisfying. Your French onion soup is ready. Enjoy this wonderful taste with your family and friends. The French consider onion soup to be an excellent remedy for hangovers, headaches, and it is used to raise the overall tone of the body. This recipe is suitable even for beginners. All the steps are simple and straightforward, and the result will exceed all expectations. You can easily make this soup yourself, even if you have never cooked anything like it before. Try it and you will fall in love with this French masterpiece.